Hey guys, this is Ritika. Welcome back to BeautiCo. So today I am gonna be talking about mascara, like how do you apply it, like beginner techniques and what mascara you should buy and all of that good stuff. So let me tell you that this particular video is in collaboration with Maybelline and I am going to be talking about the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I know, right? This is a legendary mascara. Now, let me tell you a little bit of a story. When I started with makeup, this was my first purchase. I think purchased 5 products from Maybelline itself, and one of them was this mascara, and for the longest time I was using this, and this was like my holy grail. I've gone through so many of these, so I'm going to be talking about this mascara and walking you through how you can apply mascara and like an everyday look that you can do with it. So let's quickly get started. So I've already done my base makeup using the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation and the shade 228, and then I went ahead and covered my dark circles and spots using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium, and then I set my base using the Maybelline's Fit Me powder. This is in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So we're gonna quickly start with our eyes. I'm gonna start with my brows. I'm gonna fill it in using the Maybelline's Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. So before I go in with any kind of eye makeup, I actually want to show you how this mascara looks on naked eyes, how much volume it gives, and how you can apply mascara very easily. So firstly, this is what the packaging looks like, and it has this wand, a very fluffy fat wand to it. And also you want to make sure that you're not pumping the mascara inside the tube, because that way it will collect a lot of air and your mascara will end up drying pretty quickly and it will have clumps as well. So just take the mascara, just remove the excess, you don't want too much. So take a mirror, handheld mirror like that, and keep it below, and then start applying in zigzag motions and blink, zigzag and blink, zigzag and blink, and that's how you can apply the mascara super duper easily. The zigzag motion will avoid clumpy mascara application. You see that instantly it's lifting, so you want to do zigzag and pull it up. That way it will give it a lift as well. Also, this mascara is waterproof and it also contains collagen, because of which we are getting this voluminous lashes. This is just one coat and I already have such beautiful lashes. I'm gonna apply a second coat and show you exactly how much volume I will get. Look at the difference. It's pretty amazing, right? Also, if you do get a little bit of mascara on your eyelids, let it dry for some time, and once it's completely dry, just take any fluffy brush and just flick it out. Okay, so I'm quickly gonna do my eye makeup. I'm gonna be applying a small little wing using the Maybelline's The Colossal Bold Liner. Using the Maybelline's The Colossal Kajal, I am gonna tightline my upper waterline so that there are no gaps between the lashes and the liner. Also, to give just a little bit of definition in my eye socket, in my crease technically, I'm going to use a brown shade from the Maybelline's The Nudes palette. I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'm just going to apply this in my crease area just to give it some shape. Also highlighting my inner corners using this shade from the palette. And I'm just gonna coat my other lash with the mascara. So as you can see, the wand on this is like a mega brush wand. So it's perfect to give me volume as well as length. And the brush bristles on this wand are so soft, so it's not gonna poke your eye whatsoever. So I'm quickly gonna finish this makeup look with some blush and some lipstick. For blush, I'm using the Maybelline's Fit Me blush in the shade Rosy Nude. For lipstick, I am wearing the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Seductress. This is a perfect nude shade to wear on an everyday basis. And I'm just going to spread this with my fingers just to make it look even more natural. So guys, this is the final result, and as you can see, I have these pretty beautiful lashes with so much volume. I absolutely love this mascara. If y'all are looking for a good mascara, look nowhere, this is it. And I recommend this to every beginner out there, or if y'all are looking for a mascara which is 100% good, this is something that you should look at. Also, I wanted to tell you guys that whenever you buy a mascara, make sure that you're using it for like 3 to 6 months. After 6 months, I would suggest that throw your mascara, because it ends up drying and also ends up getting infected and contaminated. So just so that your eyes don't get any infection, make sure that you change your mascara every 3 to 6 months. Okay, also I get a lot of questions how to remove waterproof mascara, so I'm going to show you exactly how to remove this mascara from the eyes. All you need is an oil-based makeup remover, or if you have coconut oil at home, that will also work. I'm going to be using this one. This is the Garnier's Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. You guys know that I absolutely love this to remove my waterproof makeup. Just gonna take a cotton pad, shake up the oil infused makeup remover and pour it, hold it on your eyes for a couple of seconds, and then just pull it out. You can pretty much remove the entire makeup very gently. And as you can see, that is how you remove the mascara super duper easily without tugging your eyes, without irritating your eye. It's that easy to remove the Colossal Mascara from your eyes, even if it is waterproof. So yeah guys, that's how easy it is to apply mascara, to get that voluminous lashes, and also how to remove waterproof mascara. I hope it helped you guys out. I'm gonna go now, and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.